Hey, Trey Veston, and I am here with Kim. We're back out at the 64 Ford Fairlane 500 XL attempted recovery. So, made some changes, and let's take a look at what we've done and see what we're going to do to ensure success. Okay, we've been doing some more digging around the tires, and Kim has been coming out and soaking that, and soaking the mud and the dirt around it, trying to release the grip. So that's going to help out quite a bit. The hood, and I've had suggestions to pop the hood and release the linkage. This hood is it's not going anywhere. Now I was going to bring some liquid hammer and PB blaster and get everything lubed up, and so I can get in there and change the linkage, but honestly, as sunk in as this thing is, I don't think it's going to make a whole heck of a bit of difference whether those tires are, whether it's in park or neutral or reverse or whatever. So yeah, some more pictures, more video of the car. Uh-oh, there we go. Yeah, this interior completely roached, nothing salvageable, needs to be completely gutted, redone. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, I found some cool stuff in the trunk I wanted to show everybody. These are the original wire hubcaps, and those go for a pretty good amount on eBay. So yeah, at least we got some parts the family can sell and get some money out of it. They decide not to try and save this thing, which is looking less and less likely. So, alrighty. What's Arlo doing?
Got stung. I think that there's a bunch of bees that he's pulled out of the car.
Oh, yeah, he likes to eat bees. It's handy for around the house. He's pretty good at killing them, aren't you, Arlo? Alrighty, and also for recovery, I bought this rope brand new. It's a 20-foot Kinetic Energy 7/8, 22,000 pounds working energy. I've got another one that I've used before in the truck, so we'll hook that up to this. We'll do a double Kinetic Energy pull downhill, and this thing will pop right out. Yeah, so let's see what happens. Alrighty, so got the truck in position. We got a second Kinetic Energy rope. We'll get these hooked up, and then we're going to let the Cummins do its thing and save a Ford. Okay, before anybody says anything about hooking up, never hook up to the ball, it's not. It's hooked up to the Dodge Class 5 beefy hitch with a soft shackle rated at 42,000 pounds and 2 ropes, so we're good. Hopefully we don't generate anywhere near 42,000 pounds of thrust getting this dang car out. Okay, moment of truth. Okay, we are in the Ram-a-Lam and we are ready to go. Show you what we've got going here. We've got it in 4-low, traction control off, camera on, so we can see what's going on back there. And so I'm going to give her a little gentle pull, and in just a second make sure everything's got, double check for safety, and then we're ready to go. First little gentle tug. Oh, UTV battery's still in the truck. Okay, let's see, are we moving? I can't tell. Okay, it moved. And it brought a lot of earth with it. But it is out. And nothing's turning. So, yeah. So what we're going to do, the next plan is we're going to spin that front end around, get it facing downhill so a trailer can come in and load it up easier if that's what the family decides to do with it. So, alrighty, let's use some more of that Cummins power and spin the front end around. Alright, let's get this thing straightened around. We got Kim filming from one end. And this truck, oh my gosh, it's idling. I'm not giving it any gas. And it is spinning that car around effortlessly. Why didn't I get a Cummins earlier? Okay, we're gonna get this thing completely out. I'm watching so many angles right now. Alright, let's take a look. Alright, the Galaxie 500 has been broken free from its ultimate resting place, and like I said, it is complete, but it is a complete disaster. These yellow jackets are not happy. Arla's not happy with them. Okay, we did a walk around, we showed you the trunk. Really, there's nothing left in the dirt. That's what I was concerned about, was finding pieces of frame or a lot of rust scale, and I'm not seeing that. So the frame is likely intact and salvageable, which is really good news for somebody wanting to save this. And we did get the hood open, and engine is complete and original as far as I can tell. It's got the Thunderbird valve covers with the silverish goldish color, which is kind of cool. And I seem to recall seeing that. Now, the only FE cars I've had before is a 66 F100 with the 352, and I also had a 69 Ranchero GT with the 390. And it did not have the Thunderbird valve covers, so I don't know if that's something they did with these. Look at that battery. An old AC Delco with the famous Delco eye to check the condition of your battery. Oh, crap, it's bad. Yeah, these all solenoid. Boy, I remember those, jump starting these by taking a screwdriver and going from the positive to this little post and jumping it. Good times. Carburetor is factory 4-barrel. It's the Motorcraft carburetor, so this thing has not been tinkered with. It's got your overflow coolant can there. Yeah, everything is there. No power brakes. And let's see, power steering. Yeah, we got power steering pump there. Got your coil. Coil looks to be aftermarket. And let's see, let's check out that oil. What are the chances it's got any oil, and if the oil's in there, if it's good? Holy crap. It's got plenty of oil, and it is clean. Looks brand new. That's only been sitting since 1973. Wonder what went wrong. Now the owner, the original owner, Kim's dad, he's got some hearing issues right now. It's a little hard to communicate, so hopefully we'll ask him why he parked it, what failed. Looks like we got a belt missing and the alternator's gone. So that might be a clue. If this thing has been parked for 50 years because the alternator went bad, then that will be somewhat hilarious and sad. So there we go. And yeah, no idea what the family's going to do with this. If they're going to sell it, or some member's going to try and restore it. If someone were to try and restore this thing, they would have to have a complete shop and a lot of tools and know what they're doing, and they'd have more into it than what it's worth, I think. But if you got a setup, you've got the shop and you've got the know-how. I've got about 34% of the know-how on how to restore this, but I have no shop and I don't have enough tools. So yeah, maybe the family will be interested in selling it. Reach out in the comments if you want to make an offer. We'll go from there. Alrighty. Okay, yeah, and special thanks to Kim for putting up with my grouchiness and commands and digging this thing out. She did a lot by getting the ground soaked. That helped tremendously. And she looked for keys and we couldn't find them. So yeah, next, I think this is the end of the line for this car for the channel. We've done our job. It's pulled out. It's ready to go. So we'll see what happens next. I'll subscribe and I'll update if there's any developments with the car. Alrighty. Oh, and I wanted to mention there was another old pickup here that somebody in the family restored, or they bought, and they kind of did a rat rod restoration on it. I'll post some pictures up here on the screen now of that, and they did a great job. It's a great pickup, and I'm glad the family was able to save it. Maybe someone else in the family will save this. All right, thanks for watching. Subscribe, and Trey, Veston, and Kim out.
Thank you.